The rationale behind my research is that I observed an increase in disruptive behaviors during math. Not only can a disruptive behavior have a negative effect on an entire classroom, but it can affect students' ability to learn. If a student already struggles academically, disruptive behaviors can put them further behind. How does math anxiety relate to students' work and behavior in the classroom, and does it affect the student's overall relationship to mathematics? Many people do not like math, they do not feel they are very good at it, and they try to avoid if possible. Research shows that math anxiety is a real condition and can contribute to disruptive behaviors. Throughout my research, 4 themes emerged. Teachers should have high expectations and strongly support all students equally. All students should be challenged. There needs to be a focus on learning for understanding. And teacher practices have a strong influence on students' feelings about math. The data I obtained during my research included math surveys that were administered to the whole class, interviews with the 3 most disruptive students, and a tally sheet that I used to keep track of the number of disruptive behaviors during math. The surveys showed that the majority of students felt good about math. The results of the interviews confirmed that 2 of the 3 students have math anxiety and that math is difficult for them. The 3rd student answered in a way that I wanted to hear. His behavior does not indicate that he is comfortable with math. After collecting data for 2 weeks, I put several strategies into place to improve disruptive behavior. Strategies included journaling for myself and students. I recorded daily observations of body language and facial expressions. Before each lesson, students wrote in their journals about specific situations regarding math. I used self-reflection on my attitude towards math and made adjustments. I asked students daily to rate their overall feeling about the maths lesson and how well they understood. 1 meaning they didn't understand the lesson, 4 meaning they felt very good about the lesson and achieved full understanding. After 2 weeks, Student A's disruptive behaviors were reduced from 5 to 0. Student B's behaviors were reduced from 12 to 3. Student C had left for vacation after the first week of data collection of observed behaviors. This entire process has opened my eyes to how my teaching style impacts students' anxiety and resulting behaviors. As teachers, we need to be aware of our own feelings about math. We need to understand where math anxiety comes from and what we can do to alleviate it. By using strategies that target math anxiety, we can lower math anxiety, decrease behaviors, and raise math achievement.